Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a website page to your home screen on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is your gateway to all the browser settings and customization options. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, a settings panel will open up. On the left side of this panel, you'll see a sidebar with various menu options. Look for the option labeled Top Sites and click on it. This section is where you can manage and customize which websites appear as shortcuts on your browser's home screen, making it easier to access your most visited or favorite pages. Next, you'll see an option called Favorites. Click on it to access the area where you can manually add specific websites that you want to appear on your home screen. This is particularly useful for websites you visit regularly and want quick access to without having to type in the URL every time. Now, in the top menu of this section, you'll see a button that says Add Site. Click on this button to begin adding your new website shortcut. This will open up fields where you can enter the details of the site you want to add. In the first field, you'll need to enter the name for your shortcut. This is the label that will appear underneath the site icon on your home screen, so choose something that helps you quickly identify the website at a glance. Type your preferred name into this designated field. Below that, you'll see another field where you need to enter the URL of the website you want to add. Make sure to type the complete web address accurately, including the http:// or https:// Once you've entered both the name and the URL, click the Save Changes button to finalize your new home screen shortcut. And that's it. You've successfully added a website page to your Brave browser's home screen, giving you instant access to your favorite sites. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.